Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can play 1 versus 1 in Valorant. So basically, the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we have added the friend that we want to play with a 1v1 on Valorant. So to do that, you can just head over to the side button right here, click on the plus icon, and then you want to enter the right ID and the tagline of that specific person. After adding the individual, we can then head over to the custom lobbies by clicking on the play button, click on custom games, and from here you simply want to invite the person that you want to play 1v1 with. So in here we have the ability to set our own map, to set our modes, and finally our server. So after inviting your friend right here, you can just click on the start button, and from there basically you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.